Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Binance on your PC or your MacBook. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first, you're going to go to the video, scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which you're going to click on it and it will show you the registration page right here. You can enter your email or phone number, or you can continue with any of those services including Google, Telegram or Apple. Now from here, you're going to fill in your email. Once you do that, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to ask you to enter this bicycle or whatever CAPTCHA. Once you do that, it's going to send you a verification code that will be available for the next 30 minutes that you can enter right here. Once you enter your verification code, it's going to ask you to create a brand new password. And then from here, click on continue. Now, finally, you have just entered to welcome abroad. And then you can turn on notifications to stay updated. And then it will give you the main page, which you're going to be able to create whatever you want, buy, trade, or extend for anything. Now from here, before you continue, it's going to ask you to get verified. So from here, you can choose for whatever country you are from, and then nationality, given your first name, your last name, and then finally the date of birth and everything that follows. After that, you're going to fill in your residential area. So for example, here we can enter the following date. And then from here, you can enter the postal code and then click on continue. Now it's going to validate the address, and this might take a little bit of time depending on your region. And then finally, it's going to ask for documentation verification, where you're going to identify documents and reference verification. And then once you finish with that and everything is done, once you put your ID, passport or residence permit, then continue. Either you can continue on the PC or you can switch to phone, where you can take a photo of your cards. But then that's it. Once you are done, you can simply join Binance. And then from here, you can join whatever you do. So deposit money, buy, P2P trading, and everything else. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.